Roby, not to be confused with the rural village of Raby, which doesn't have a train station. Actually, it's surprisingly big. For a little wide place in the road, it's surprisingly big. The train I got off on is just an hourly service. Bit of a mixture of Victorian architecture here, more modern architecture there, but it's actually surprisingly large. Considering it's so near Hayton Station as well. Must be electrical sheds. But yeah, it's alright. There must be quite a few trains that stop here. Like I say, look at the... You know, the Victorians liked a bit of detail. So there's a book exchange there, which is nice. Ooh. 2 lifts. Subway. Cool. Not sure I'd want to walk along this tunnel late at night, but anyway. Oh, it's a nice little place. I can hear another train coming. I'm going to Blackpool North. I wish I was going to Blackpool North. Oh, I wish I was going to Blackpool North. Had many a happy holiday there. But not today. Anyway. Sorry. Anyway, it looks like it's got 4 platforms. One's rather weedy along the tracks. And this is Roby. Oh, I wish I was going to Blackpool North. But I'm not. But I will later. Take care.